to the channel. Today I'm really excited because I've been testing something that honestly took me by surprise. The LONGER Nano Duo laser engraver. I have spent the past few weeks running it through real projects, trying out all the AI features, playing with different materials, and I think this might be one of the smartest compact engraver out there right now. So, let me walk you through what it's like to actually use this machine, what it can do, and of course I will show you projects I made so you can judge for yourself. So, first let's talk about the machine itself. Right away I noticed it's compact, portable but surprisingly powerful. It has a 20-watt blue diode laser combined with a 2-watt infrared laser, which means it can handle almost anything. Metals, wood, leather, paper, acrylic, bamboo, you name it. The engraving speed goes up to 10,000 millimeters per second, which is insanely fast for a device this size. And with a motion accuracy of 0.002 millimeters, the details came out super sharp. And if you add dual axis extension, which need to be purchased separately, it expands the working area up to 300 by 300 millimeters. And also introduces something called Smart Track Vertical Cut, which basically keeps the laser beam perfectly vertical even when you are working on large surfaces or cutting far from the center. That alone solves one of the biggest problems with small desktop engravers. But honestly, what makes the Nano Duo feel next generation is the AI. Everything runs through Longer's LaserBurn app. The interface is clean, the tools are simple, and it's all very beginner friendly. You can actually type in a text description, like a coin-shaped Kurdish themed pattern with intricate details. And the AI instantly generates designs in different engraving styles. It supports line art, silhouettes, 3D, typography, Zentangle, 6 major styles. And it's fast. You literally watch the design pop up in front of you. The positioning tools are just as clever. You place your material on the bed, and the AI camera scans it, figures out the shape, the size, the rotation, everything. Then it automatically aligns your design and shows a real-time preview before you even engrave. It also handles focus automatically, which is perfect when you are jumping between a thin piece of metal and a thick chunk of wood. You don't have to adjust anything. The laser head just does it for you. And one of my favorite features is the batch mode. If you lay down multiple small pieces like keychains or metal tags, the machine detects all of them and copies the design onto each one with perfect alignment. It's actually fun to watch it work. So, the first thing I did was something simple. I grabbed a black aluminum business card, used the setting on the screen and engraved an image. And honestly, look at this. The details are ridiculously sharp. You can see every line. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments, because I'm genuinely impressed by how clean it looks. I wanted to test the AI generator. I typed a command into LaserBurn and it created this beautiful super intricate pattern. I engraved it onto a plug and it came out much cleaner than I expected. The contrast is great and the lines are crisp. I tried making this wooden coin. Again, I used the AI to generate the artwork and then used the smart camera to just drag and drop the design onto the exact spot I wanted. It snapped perfectly into place. The accuracy is spot on, like it knows exactly where that circle is. Now this one surprised me the most. The Nano Duo has this 3D embossing feature using its diode laser, and it automatically adjusts the engraving depth based on color of the image. I tested it on a 10 by 10 cm wooden block, and I mean it seriously looks hand carved. The depth changes smoothly and the details are fantastic. This is something you usually only get on much bigger machines. I tried a Fox leather coaster. The design was also generated by the AI, and leather engraves really nicely on this machine. The result came out clean, dark, and super precise without burning too deep. It looks like something you would buy from a custom Etsy shop. For the next one, I wanted to test engraving on a curved metal surface. So I grabbed this stainless steel heat flask. I didn't even use my own artwork. I picked a design straight from the built-in LaserBurn library, which has hundreds of ready-to-use files. And the engraving? Wow! The infrared laser on metal is so crisp, the lines pop, and the contrast is beautiful. And since Christmas is coming up, I switched back to the blue laser and cut out some Christmas tree decoration from 2mm plywood. The Nano Duo sliced right through it cleanly, and the edges are crisp, no burned corners, just clean perfect cuts. And now my favorite test, batch engraving. I placed 4 metal tags on the bed. That's it. The Nano Duo scanned them, recognized the shape of each tag, aligned the text for every single one, and prepared the batch automatically. All I had to do was press start. Every tag came out perfectly aligned. This is a lifesaver for people who need to make a lot of identical items. And the last project was on something very delicate, craft paper. I picked an image from the LaserBurn library and let the machine run it. Normally paper burns very easily, but the Nano Duo handled it smoothly without tearing or scorching through. The contrast is great and the details are really nice. One thing I really appreciate is how easy it is to switch between the red infrared laser and the blue diode laser. It is literally one button. The infrared laser is amazing for metals, plastics, and artificial leather, while the blue laser is perfect for wood, bamboo, paper, food, painted metals, and even colored glass. This dual laser setup makes the Nano Duo a true engrave anything machine. And I have to mention the dual axis extension, which needs to be purchased separately. Most small engravers start cutting at an angle the further you go from the center. But with the Nano Duo's vertical cut technology, the laser stays perfectly perpendicular no matter where it is. The difference is huge: angled edges versus clean, sharp vertical edges. It really gives your projects a professional finish. So, after running all these projects, trying out all the AI features, switching lasers, testing different materials, I can honestly say the LONGER Nano Duo is one of the most advanced portable laser engravers I have ever used. I can honestly say the LONGER Nano Duo is one of the most advanced portable laser engravers I have used. It is fast, it is precise, it is loaded with smart features, and the AI tools genuinely save time. If you are a hobbyist, small business owner, or just someone who wants a powerful engraving setup that can handle almost anything, this machine is absolutely worth a look. The link for the product is in the description. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.